Title: Cultivating Potatoes in Sacks, a Space-Efficient Gardening Method. Introduction. Potatoes are a versatile and widely loved staple in many households. Growing your own potatoes can be a rewarding experience, and if you have limited space or poor soil, cultivating them in sacks is an efficient and practical method. In this article, we'll explore the benefits, steps, and tips for growing potatoes in sacks, allowing you to enjoy a fresh and abundant harvest right from your garden or balcony. Why grow potatoes in sacks? Cultivating potatoes in sacks offers several advantages. Space efficiency: sacks allow you to grow potatoes vertically, saving valuable ground space. This method is perfect for small gardens, balconies, or even urban settings. Less soil dependency: growing potatoes in sacks reduces the need for fertile soil. Even if your garden has poor or compacted soil, you can still produce a successful harvest. Easy maintenance: sacks are portable and manageable. You can adjust their position for sunlight and rain exposure, making it easier to maintain and protect your plants. Minimal pests and diseases: elevating your potatoes can help reduce the risk of pests and diseases, as well as damage from burrowing critters. Steps for growing potatoes in sacks. 1. Choose suitable sacks. Select breathable and sturdy sacks, such as burlap or special-purpose grow bags. Ensure they have good drainage holes at the bottom. 2. Select seed potatoes. Choose disease-free seed potatoes from a reliable source. Cut larger seed potatoes into smaller pieces, each with at least 1 or 2 eyes or sprouts. 3. Fill the sacks. Fill the sacks about 1/3 full with a mix of quality potting soil, compost, and organic matter. The mix should be loose and well-draining. 4. Plant the seed potatoes. Place the seed potato pieces on top of the soil mix with the sprouts facing upward. Space them a few inches apart. 5. Cover with soil. Add another few inches of the soil mix on top of the seed potatoes. As they grow, gradually add more soil until the sack is nearly full. 6. Water and maintain. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Place the sacks in a sunny location and ensure they receive adequate sunlight. 7. Hilling. As the potato plants grow, you can hill them by adding more soil to cover the stems. This encourages the growth of more potatoes along the stems. 8. Harvest. Potatoes are ready to harvest when the foliage begins to yellow and die back. Carefully empty the sack to reveal your fresh, homegrown potatoes. Tips for successful sack potato gardening. Choose early or mid-season potato varieties for quicker results. Avoid using treated wood or toxic materials for sacks, as it can leach chemicals into the soil. Protect your potatoes from frost by moving the sacks indoors or covering them during cold nights. Conclusion. Growing potatoes in sacks is a space-efficient and accessible method for gardeners of all levels. Whether you have limited space, poor soil, or simply want a convenient way to cultivate these delicious tubers, this approach can yield a bountiful harvest. Enjoy the satisfaction of homegrown potatoes straight from your own garden or balcony, knowing you've maximized your resources and minimized waste in the process. Happy gardening!